Hi, all of you over there. So those of you who are going to write this exam of HPCL, your PDA is going ahead with the tailor-made module for HPCL exam. I think the last date of form filling for that is still there. I mean 15th April or something. So exam is expected somewhere towards the end of May or maybe in the June or something. Dates are not there. These are all speculations. So like Airport Authority of India exam, this UrPDA is going to conduct the benchmark test. So as you know, UrPDA is the only platform which is conducting benchmark tests for these public sector exams and all. So benchmark test by UrPDA for HPCL will be on 18th of April. So morning till night, I mean 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. you can come on the this panel of UrPDA and go for this particular test. There will be details provided in the description. And let me tell you, this test will be exactly on the same pattern as HPCL. What is the importance of benchmark test? What is the purpose of benchmark test? As the name shows, benchmark. Where do you stand now? Where do you stand as of now? In my opinion, if you score 70%, I'm giving you thumb rule for this. We have a team of mentors have designed the test in such a way that those of you who score 70% in this, I mean marks jinka aega 70%, they have very high probability to get into HPCL. This is exactly same as the expected paper of HPCL. So all the mentors have put a lot of effort to prepare this test for you. This is free. This is not going to charge anything, and all branches, civil engineering, mechanical, electrical and instrumentation, all branches will be added into this, and you can just check your knowledge base. Where do you stand now? Suppose instead of 70%, and this is for general category I'm telling you, though iska entire analysis we will share with you later on. Once the test is over, we'll share with you where do you stand, what is your level and what was expected from you, so that at least you know in the next 2 months, April, May, let's say 1.5 and 2 months, where you can pull, how much you can pull. You should not try to go below 50% of the score. Minimum 50%. If it is less than 50%, it is worrisome. If it is 70%, it is good. If it is 80%, you will get confident. So that is the advantage of benchmark test. And the importance of this test is prepared by someone on the same line as HPCL exam, telling you where do you stand, giving you exact analysis of your preparation level. So don't miss it. Go for 18th April benchmark test. Thank you.